Chris and Brian here, and we're going to talk about a new feature that's coming to Google Chrome, your Google Chrome browser. It's going to help identify malicious extensions. This is a feature that they should have had a long time ago, and Chris is going to, talk about it a little bit more. Go ahead, Chris.
Yeah, so they added a feature that it'll review your installed extensions if they pull any from if the Chrome Web Store, there's a ton of unwanted extensions or fake extensions on there from scammers, hackers, anything like that. What they do too is they'll steal Gmail emails, Facebook accounts. Another popular one is like crypto software wallets that have an extension app. Sometimes they make a fake one trying to steal your assets. And as of Chrome 117, this will be enabled by default. But in the screenshot here, you'll see in the Chrome settings, it'll say review 2 extensions that were taken down from the Chrome Web Store. So I turned it on my version of Chrome. And you see all my extensions here, and you can see 0 were taken down from the Chrome Web Store.
So if you're still on the old version, 116, can you just show us where you would set it if you wanted to set it if you're not, if you don't have it in your browser yet? Can you show us the tab where it's set?
So I just typed this URL right here. So Chrome flags, and if we do that, it's going to bring us to right here. So it's enabled for me, but you'll see it highlighted. It should just be default if you haven't touched this yet, but you can turn it on by just enabling it and relaunching your browser.
So on 117, if it's set to default, it'll just automatically start working for you. It should. Was there anything else you'd like to mention about that?
So I guess it's going to be able to tell if it contains malware. In the screenshot here, it says this extension contains malware. Typically, so you'll see this you won't recognize, but it's an ID down here for the extension. Generally, how we handle extensions in Chrome and on Edge right now for clients is, maybe you don't want end users installing extensions themselves. So you'd block the ability to do so. And you'd do some kind of GPO on a server, and you might say, oh, only install extension XYZ and don't let them install anything else.
Yeah, so we like to only roll out the extensions that they use as a business rather than just like willy-nilly allow them to download just anything. Yeah, so this is a great safety net. And Chris, thanks for bringing it to our attention.
Yeah, no problem.